Yo, what is going on YouTube? Year One Blink here, also known as Pokemon Blinks. We're doing a little mini food review at the Secret Garden. I got the turkey, basically BLT type thing. Got some fries, I'll show you guys right now. And it's out here in Modesto, California. It has bacon, looks like a little bit of ranch. They give you some ranch dressing, some fries. You got your Coke right there. And let's get into it. So if you guys enjoy the video, well, if you guys do enjoy it, subscribe. Alright. We gotta take this thing out. Go into our first little mini sandwich we got here.
Oh, their lights are pretty. I use your
Pretty good. Everything feels fresh. Fresh lettuce. Look at that. Fresh tomatoes. Dip it in the ranch if you want. Yeah guys, it's really good. Everything seems freshly made and everything. I give it a 9 out of 10. Really bomb. This is what they're eating. They got a breakfast burrito. My mom has a sandwich.
a turkey.
Turkey sandwich.
Avocado.
And the baby has some chicken, whatever that is.
Chicken strips.
Chicken strips. But yeah guys, I'm really enjoying it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We'll take a couple more bites. Put that right there. And let me know if you guys like seeing the food reviews. If you guys want to see different stuff, what do you guys want to see? Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. Thank you all for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.